What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are working on the frame. Well, not exactly on the frame itself, but on the forks. We're gonna try to fit the forks on here. As you know from in other videos, this head tube is a little bit too long, so I cannot clamp the 333 on there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to make it work, see what I can do to shorten this part and see if I can get a final fit on there, and then we can start on the fork legs itself. So I'm gonna disassemble everything. I'm gonna paint strip the front of it to get a clear view of how I can cut it, and of course when I'm grinding on it the smell doesn't get to me. But yeah, let's take everything apart, get some paint strippers, strip it all down and have a clean working surface. So that was a very productive day. I'm pretty happy. I got the forks on there, they are fitting, and of course I had to put the bike a little bit together to see how it looks. Let me show you how the bike looks now. So here it is with the forks. I paint stripped the triple trees so they look nice and clean, but I'm not really finished with this. There are some casting marks right here that I want to get rid of. It looks pretty dirty. Also on the front, small little details, just get that out of there, make it all smooth, make it all nice. So yeah, I put the engine on there, and as you can see, let me go to the other side. Getting this carb to fit is gonna be a little nightmare. I'm gonna have to cut away this right here to make it all nice and fit. Maybe put it a little bit at an angle so the carb comes out of here. Yes, and then we have to mount this spring. Of course, it isn't level. As you can see, this is a little bit higher than that, and we want it pretty much equal when you are riding. So we're gonna have to tilt it up a little bit, get that spring a little bit down so we get good clearance on the carb. It looks good. Also, I put the flywheel on. It's not really stuck on there, but it is on there. I just wanted to see how it looks, and it started to look like a bike again. Now, this was the main thing that I worked on today, getting this cut down. I installed the bearings on the triple tree, and I saw that I had to get about 16 centimeters. So I grinded away on the bottom. See, that fits nicely now. So this comes a little bit higher, and I also grinded away at the top. So this comes a little bit closer. It's shorter than 16, so I have a little bit more tread on the top. Let me show you how much I got right now. Yeah, that should be enough to keep this whole assembly together. So I'm happy that this is sorted out. Don't need to worry about that. I'm still gonna have to worry about the wheel. I put the axle on there. Well, I put it a little bit on there, and it's pretty close. It's gonna be a narrow fit. I don't know if I'm gonna have to recut the threads a little bit longer to get it all to fit. I'm not really sure that it's gonna fit between here, but I don't have the wheel right now, so I cannot really test it or test fit it. That is gonna be when the shade comes over with the wheels. But to work on the wheels, we still need some tires, so we're gonna have to get those. We already looked for tires. We found slick tires, not completely slick, of course. I don't think they make slick tires for these. It would be cool if it was a complete slick tire, but yeah, we have to roll with what we got, or what we can get, of course, what the people are selling. Next week, if I can get the tires, I'm gonna have to start working on that front wheel. That is gonna be really important. That is like the big hassle right now, the big concern that I have. Everything else is just like fabbing stuff. I mean, getting that spring on there. It won't be easy, but it's not gonna be really hard to get that spring on there. After that, we're gonna have to mount the carb and yeah, get electrical systems and whatever, kickstart, transmission, all that good stuff. Also, because I paint stripped the tank, you can see it's like a gold color under here. This is called brazing. They don't weld it, they braze it because it's easier to do. But it's a little bit rough. I would take the time to sand it a little bit down, make it all nice and smooth, but we're gonna see how much time we got. But I really like the color with this, the bare metal. I would love to get the whole bike done like this, get all the black paint out of here and just do something like this. But we will see. At one point we're gonna have to paint strip every single thing, but yeah, it looks really nice. I can't stop looking at it. I've been standing here for like an hour, checking it out, taking pictures, posting them on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. So if you want to go over there and check those videos out, you get a little preview, maybe drop some suggestions, what I can do, what you think about it, what I'm doing wrong, because yeah, I still do stuff wrong, but I'm pretty happy how it looks. It looks absolutely nice, and the shade also likes it. I sent him a picture just to make him a little bit jealous of what I'm working on and what I can see, because he cannot come over all the time. I'm not expecting him to do that. Also, we're gonna have to source some handlebars. These handlebars are wrong. It's not the right dimensions. I mean, the size is good, but we don't have enough flat spot to mount it good. So I'm gonna have to source that out, get the measurement and see what we need to work with. So yeah, a lot of stuff still to do. I don't know where to start. At some point it's too much, but I'm pretty stoked at it. So that is gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like and a comment down below. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you in the next one.